then it changed to landing in this message. When it's, yeah, right now. Right now I press landing. It chooses automatically circular landing.
Like this and smaller and then down?
Yeah, and there is another mode which is linear. I think it's going to fail again. It's going to go around there again. We are too close to those trees. We should get around there. So I am prepared just in case something happens.
Not doing anything now?
Nothing, but I can take control immediately.
Yeah.
And also, if I press this button,
You take it out.
take off. No, take off again, or goes up.
It goes good.
Wow, yeah. Look,
Yeah.
you see that?
It stops.
Stop, reverse, and sense the ground.
Yeah.
Man, that is beautiful. Okay, finally, damn. All right.